Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to screenshot in PC using a simple keyboard method so you can quickly capture anything on your screen. Now let's get started. Step 1, press the PARTY-SCN, also called print screen, key on your keyboard, usually located at the top right side. This key captures the entire screen and copies it to the clipboard, which means it is temporarily stored and ready to paste. Step 2. Open Paint, Word, or any image editing application on your PC. These applications allow you to view and edit the captured screenshot before saving it. Step 3. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the screenshot into the Open application. Once pasted, you can resize or make small edits if needed. Step 4. Click on File and then choose Save to store the screenshot on your PC. Select your desired folder and file name, then click Save to complete the process. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.